In the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency, the ability to seamlessly navigate between different digital assets is paramount. One such common transition is converting Tether or USDT on the Tron blockchain, also known as TRC20, to Bitcoin, the world's leading cryptocurrency. This comprehensive guide provides a step-by-step walkthrough of this process, ensuring clarity and ease of understanding for both novice and seasoned crypto enthusiasts. USDT, a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, offers stability amidst market volatility, while Bitcoin, with its decentralized nature and potential for growth, remains a coveted asset. The ability to convert between these two cryptocurrencies opens up a world of possibilities for traders and investors alike. Whether you're looking to diversify your portfolio, capitalize on market trends, or simply explore the intricacies of the crypto ecosystem, this guide will equip you with the knowledge and tools to confidently convert your TRC20 USDT to Bitcoin. The first step in our conversion journey involves accessing your OKX wallet, the secure repository where your TRC20 USDT is stored. OKX, a reputable cryptocurrency exchange, provides a user-friendly platform for managing your digital assets. First, initiate the login process by navigating to the OKX website or launching the OKX mobile app. Locate the login button, typically found in the top right corner of the screen. Next, provide your credentials by entering your registered email address and password in the designated fields. Double-check your entries to ensure accuracy. Upon successful login, you'll be greeted by your OKX dashboard. Look for the Wallet tab, usually located in the top navigation bar or sidebar. Within the Wallet section, you'll find a list of supported cryptocurrencies. Locate and select USDT or Tether. Ensure that the displayed network is TRC20 to confirm you're viewing your USDT balance on the Tron blockchain. Now that you've accessed your OKX wallet and verified your TRC20 USDT balance, the next step is to withdraw your USDT to an exchange where you can trade it for Bitcoin. First, initiate the withdrawal process within your USDT wallet on OKX by locating and clicking the Withdraw button. This will initiate the withdrawal process. On the withdrawal page, you'll need to specify the cryptocurrency and network you wish to withdraw. Select USDT as the cryptocurrency and TRC20 as the network to ensure you're withdrawing your USDT on the correct blockchain. You'll then be prompted to enter the destination wallet address where you want to send your USDT. This address should belong to a wallet or exchange that supports USDT on the Tron network. Double-check the address for accuracy, as sending cryptocurrency to an incorrect address can result in irreversible loss of funds. With your TRC20 USDT safely transferred to your chosen exchange, the stage is set for the pivotal conversion to Bitcoin. This process typically involves placing a market order or using an instant exchange feature. First, navigate to the trading or exchange section. Most exchanges feature a dedicated section for trading cryptocurrencies. Look for tabs labeled Trade, Exchange, Markets, or something similar. Next, you'll need to specify the trading pair for your conversion. Look for the USDT-BTC pair, which represents the exchange rate between Tether and Bitcoin. You'll typically have the option to place a market order or a limit order. A market order executes your trade immediately at the current market price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you're willing to buy or sell. Specify the amount of USDT you wish to convert to Bitcoin. The exchange will display the equivalent amount of Bitcoin you'll receive based on the current market rate. Before executing the trade, carefully review all the details, including the trading pair, order type, amount, and fees. Once you're satisfied, confirm the trade to initiate the conversion. Section 5. Withdrawing your Bitcoin, taking possession of your digital gold. Congratulations, you've successfully converted your TRC20 USDT to Bitcoin. The final step is to withdraw your Bitcoin to a secure wallet where you have full control over your funds. First, navigate to the withdrawal section. Similar to depositing or withdrawing other cryptocurrencies, locate the withdrawal section on your chosen exchange. Then, select Bitcoin, BTC, as the asset. Choose Bitcoin, BTC, from the list of supported cryptocurrencies for withdrawal. Next, enter your Bitcoin wallet address. You'll be prompted to enter the address of your Bitcoin wallet. This is where your Bitcoin will be sent. Double-check the address for accuracy, as sending Bitcoin to an incorrect address can result in permanent loss of funds. Some exchanges may offer multiple Bitcoin networks for withdrawal, such as Bitcoin BTC, Bitcoin Cash, BCH, or Bitcoin SV, BSV. Ensure you select the correct network that corresponds to your Bitcoin wallet address. Finally, review and confirm. Before initiating the withdrawal, carefully review all the details, including the withdrawal address, network, amount, and fees. Once you're satisfied, confirm the withdrawal to transfer your Bitcoin to your wallet. Section 6. Understanding your recovery phrase, the key to your crypto kingdom. While not directly related to the conversion process, understanding the importance of your recovery phrase is crucial for safeguarding your cryptocurrency holdings. Your recovery phrase, also known as a seed phrase or mnemonic phrase, is a set of 12 or 24 random words that serves as a master key to your cryptocurrency wallet. It's generated when you create a new wallet and is unique to your wallet. The recovery phrase is essential because it allows you to recover your wallet and its associated funds if you lose access to your device, forget your password, or encounter any other issues that prevent you from accessing your wallet. Key points to remember. Store your recovery phrase offline in a secure location, such as a physical safe or a password manager. Never share your recovery phrase with anyone. Legitimate services will never ask for your recovery phrase. Be wary of phishing attempts. Scammers may try to trick you into revealing your recovery phrase by posing as legitimate services. Section 7. Recap, a concise summary of your conversion journey. Congratulations on successfully navigating the world of cryptocurrency conversion. Let's recap the key steps involved in converting your TRC20 USDT to Bitcoin. First, access your OKX wallet. Log in to your OKX account and navigate to the wallet section to view your TRC20 USDT balance. Next, withdraw TRC20 USDT. Initiate a withdrawal request, selecting USDT as the cryptocurrency and TRC20 as the network. Enter the destination wallet address where you want to send your USDT, then convert USDT to Bitcoin. On your chosen exchange, navigate to the trading section and select the USDT-BTC trading pair. Place a market order or limit order to execute the conversion. After that, withdraw your Bitcoin. Once the conversion is complete, initiate a Bitcoin withdrawal request, entering your Bitcoin wallet address and selecting the appropriate network. Finally, safeguard your recovery phrase. Remember to store your recovery phrase securely offline to ensure the safety of your cryptocurrency holdings. Section 8. Conclusion. Embracing the future of financial freedom. Mastering the ability to convert between different cryptocurrencies such as TRC20, USDT, and Bitcoin empowers you to navigate the evolving landscape of decentralized finance with confidence. As you delve deeper into the world of cryptocurrency, remember to prioritize security, stay informed about market trends, and embrace the potential of this transformative technology. The future of finance is decentralized, and you're now equipped to be a part of it.